Ticket automation rules allow you to set actions that will automatically trigger when certain ticket actions occur. In this video, we'll be going over setting up an automation rule for new ticket created by sending an email to a customer upon creation. To get started, click on Admin on the left side panel. Under Basic Setup, click on Ticket Automation Rules. Once the Ticket Automation Rules page appears, click Add New Rule. Then fill in the following fields. For my rule name, I'm going to call it New Ticket Created. I'll fill in my description. And for the event, New Ticket Created. I'm going to keep the flow as it is, and yes, it is going to be active. Ignore flow allows this rule to operate regardless of rule hierarchy and structure. Once you're done, click Add. Click the newly created rule name to fill in the rule's conditions and actions. We will now select what happens when a new ticket creation fires the trigger. Select Action Type. Send email to contact. And I'm going to click my already made email template, New Ticket Created. Once you're done, click Add. You can use the trash icon to delete an action if required. I just wanted to take a moment to note that if your customer replies to the automated email, you'll want their comment to appear on the existing ticket, not on a new ticket unintentionally created by the email. To ensure the comment is added by the existing ticket, once you're in the email template and you have your template set up, you'll want to make sure that you'll have the ticket number snippet featured in the email subject. Failure to do so will result in the creation of a new ticket if the customer replies to the automated email. For more information on creating automation rules, please visit our extensive knowledge base library or contact our support team directly.